Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Linea wallet address on Binance, so you can transfer your Linea token from other wallets to Binance and trade it. So first, you can open your Binance apps and make sure you have signed in. After that, you can go to asset in the bottom right corner here. And as you can see, there is advanced here. You can just click it, and then you can choose on-chain deposit, and then you can search Linea and choose this one. And there are two networks, Linea and Ethereum, but for now only available is Linea, so you can just choose Linea. Then this is your Linea wallet address on Binance. You can transfer your Linea token from other wallets to Binance by copy it or scan it and choose Linea network. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.